Hello friends, welcome the channel Learn English for GK. And in the video we are going to learn the Oxford vocabulary with Hindi meaning, antonym, synonym, use word in sentences. Episode 7-4. And today's word are presence, noun. Hindi meaning upasthiti. Definition: the quality of making a strong impression on other people by the way you look or talk. Using sentence: he has a strong voice but absolutely no stage presence. Antonym: absence. Presentable. Adjective: pradarshaniya. Hindi meaning pradarshaniya. Definition: clean, smart or decent enough to be seen in public. Using sentence: I did my best to make myself look presentable. Presentation. Noun. Hindi meaning prastutikaran. Definition: the manner of style in which something is given, offered or displayed. Using sentence: the word presentation: the presentation of foods is designed to stimulate your appetite. Word family: presentational. Adjective: prestige. Noun. Hindi meaning Pratishta. Definition: to widespread respect and admiration that someone or something has because their social position or what they have done. Using sentence: the post carried great prestige within the civil service. Word family: prestigious. Adjective: prestigiously. Adverb: antonym: worthlessness. Prevalent. Adjective: Hindi meaning prachalit. Definition: that exists or is very common at a particular time or in a particular place. Using sentence: temporary working is the most prevalent among people in service of patient. For family: prevalence. Noun. Prevalently. Adverb. Antonym: uncommon. Primacy. Noun. Hindi meaning pradhanta. Definition: the fact of being primary, preeminent or a more or a most important. Using sentence: London's primacy as a financial center. Word family: primarily. Adverb: prime. Adjective: Hindi meaning pradhan. Definition: most important, to be considered first. Using sentence: a most prime concern is the well-being of the patient. Principal. Mahatvapurna. Definition: most important. Using sentence: new road will link the principal cities. Priority. Noun. Hindi meaning pradhanta. Definition: something that you think is more important than other things and should be dealt with first. Using sentence: you need to get your priorities right. You need to get your priorities right. What family? Prioritization. Noun. Priorities. Verb. Privilege. Noun. Hindi meaning visheshadhikar. Definition: a special right or advantage granted or available to a particular person or a group. Using sentence: education is a right, not privilege. What family? Privilege. Adjective. Antonym: disadvantage. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question or suggestion, please comment. If you like, hit like button and share the video. And please subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notification of the new